I think everybody can sense now that it's time for change. The question is, what kind of change do we want? Is it that vision of Plaid Cymru, or do we want to take Wales backwards? Under Plaid Cymru, this is a fresh start. This is genuinely new leadership for Wales.
Reform, they're not going to be focused on Wales. We are never going to be their priority. They will use this as a stepping stone to the next Westminster election. But with Plaid Cymru, we're offering ambition for Wales. We have ideas that will make our nation sing, that will make our nation a success on the world stage.
I'm announcing that a Plaid Cymru government would introduce a transformative, new, universal, free childcare programme.
We offer new leadership for Wales to make sure that we are a country where people don't just survive, but they thrive.
When people talk about losing faith in politics, what they really mean is losing faith that anybody is truly listening. Rebuilding faith isn't done in halls like this. It is done back out in our communities. Let us show in everything we do that putting the people of Wales first is who we are.
The time is now. We're not here to act as Labour's conscience. We are not here to repair Labour. We are here to replace them. The time is now to stop reform and elect a government on the side of families, teachers, nurses, farmers, business owners, young and old, urban and rural, north and south, Welsh speaker, non-Welsh speaker, lifelong supporter and first-time voter. We can give our nation the new leadership it needs and the respect it deserves. For good health, for opportunity, for prosperity, for equality and for Wales. That is the future within our grasp. Let's realise it together.
For the first time, we are within touching distance of leading government in our country. Pryn ap Iorwerth as First Minister, a Plaid Cymru First Minister that puts people first.
We know that people want to change. We can sense that on doorsteps, in communities the length and breadth of our country, but let's make it a positive change.
Mwyn gobaith i'n cenedl, mwyn gobaith i'n dyfodol. Dewch gyda Plaid Cymru ar gyfer dyfodol Cymru.